The Kangana Ranaut and Shiv Sena face-off has stooped to another low. We are just getting breaking information now that one MLA of the Shiv Sena has targeted Kangana, but while comparing her to a dog, he has said Kangana Ranaut has blackened the face of all those who have also supported her. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining me on the same. Pankaj, why this analogy coming in? Because it seemed when she has left, the matter could have ended, but like you were telling us earlier, it's going to only get worse.
Yes, you're right when you say it's only getting worse now. And it was but expected that Shiv Sena cadres will react very sharply. But Pratap Sarnaik, the MLA of Shiv Sena, has used the most foul language and used a derogatory language while making a comparison here. Remember, Pratap Sarnaik, the very leader who in the previous times had also said that if Kangana Ranaut lands in Mumbai, then perhaps there will be consequences as well. And after that, the National Commission for Women had also said that he be arrested. Pratap Sarnaik is the very Sena leader who had said that a sedition charge be leveled against Kangana Ranaut as well. But this aside, the fact remains it was like a bait that was thrown by Kangana Ranaut, to which the Sena cadres have now risen. And this is perhaps going to get ugly from here on. Provocation from one side, derogatory foul language from other side, and this controversy is not going to die down. One wonders what was the need for Kangana Ranaut to come out with such scathing attacks on the Sena government, Sena cadres, and saying that she felt like terrorized in Mumbai and so on. And people are saying that perhaps she is eyeing some position in the BJP now, and that this tweet and various other tweets that have followed are a result of the support from the BJP IT cell. This is the allegation that has been leveled by
Pankaj, that's the point. Even if she is, she does have political affiliations and wants to join any party, to use a dog analogy to continue being derogatory to an actor, and this by people who are elected representatives. So a quick added question to you, any response from the Shiv Sena yet on this?
See, I said what the tweet has come out from Sena leader Pratap Sarnaik cannot be justified at all. Language most foul, derogatory to the core. But yes, as I said, it seemed that this was coming. As I said in the morning hours as well, this was coming. Enough provocation by Kangana Ranaut to the Sena cadres. And this entire story of Shiv Sena versus Kangana Ranaut is not going to die down. One only wonders what is going to happen from here on. We felt that perhaps now that Kangana Ranaut is out of the city, perhaps this matter slowly is going to die down. But no, neither party is ready to relent, and now it's become a case for eye for an eye.
And remember, this is a ruling party in the state government, and the manner in which the words that you're using against an actor, even if she's targeting them, even if she has political affiliations, is it justified? Thank you so much, Pankaj. Keep tracking all the latest on that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.